Okay, so this is a short video on how to set up a pan and tilt mix on the Taranis. Just to show you how it works, I'm going to show you the current setup on my AXN. So I have three different options for the pan and tilt set up on the SB switch here. In its default position, the slider switches control the pan and tilt independently. And then so if I go change to the middle position, my rudder now controls pan and tilt, and it mixes the two together. So if I pan to the left, it will also tilt down. So I get the option of looking to my left and down. Maybe you see that in the video or not. In the third position, the rudder just controls your pan, and the slider switch has gone back to the tilt. Okay, I'll now show you how to set this up in the companion. First I'll just create a basic model. Any model will do. You note here the rudder is set on channel 4, so the first thing we can do is that the input to the rudder will only be active when the SB switch is in the up position. So if you imagine channel 5 will be my pan servo, and channel 6 will be my tilt servo. Channel 5 you need to add a mix. So when the switch SB is not in that position, we will be having input from rudder. And also, when the SB switch is in that position, we'll have input from the left slider. So basically, the rudder controls our pan when the SB switch is in any other position than up. So for channel 6, I need to add a mix. Hold on, the cap's trying to get out. Right, so this will be for the slider 2, and this will be the input, except when the SB is in the middle position. So we had a mix for the rudder when the SB switch is in the middle, and for this we'll use a curve, which I'll set up in a second. Use curve 1 for example. And that's it for our mixes. And for curve 1, we need to set it like this. And so this will mean that its at the midpoint it's a 0, but it doesn't go from down all the way up. It goes down if you move the rudder left, or it goes down if you move the rudder right. What I found actually was that I moved this somewhere around 60 mark, I think it was, because to go all the way was too much. So, where are we at? Let's do it. There, so I think my curve's something like that. So when I simulate this, I'm going to fix the Y position on this. So at the moment, SB is up, so we should find that channel 5 is controlled by the left slider. Yes. Channel 6 is controlled by the right slider, which it isn't. I've gone and done something silly. Okay. I've got my right slider mixed up with my pot. But hopefully you'll get the same idea. Put the SB into the middle position. Should now get. Now actually, let's put it back up again here. Also you find at the moment the rudder is controlling channel 4. Move the SB into the middle position. Channel 4 isn't affected. Channel 5 goes from minus 100 to plus 100, whereas channel 6, the tilt, goes back to 0 at the midpoint, but down no matter which way you go. Put SB in the final position. The rudder controls channel 5 only in pan, and I expect the S2 switch controls channel 6. You might want that to be the RS. You might rather have the pot controlling it. Okay, hope that helps. Thank you.